My name is Dora Alzamora and I'm a ceramicist. I've been around clay since I was little, but my real passion started when I saw a potter at work. So I decided to quit my job and I bought a wheel and I taught myself how to throw. Me and my mum then converted an old electric kiln into a gas kiln. We started my venture. My studio is connected to my showroom Grass Gallery. Yeah, we're 3 generations of artists. My grandmother was a sculptor and a ceramicist, and I use her recipes for my glazes. I work with stoneware clays and I finish my pieces using primitive techniques, but I mainly make my own glazes, creating a range of surfaces that are inspired by nature, the moon and the sea. I create one-of-a-kind pieces through a process which can be conscious or subconscious. It begins and ends with my hands.